Okay, see, here you are going to learn another formula to find the area of a triangle. Now, area of triangle, you learned the first formula that you learned is half into base into height. And the second, in class 9, you learned Heron's formula, uh, how to find the area of the triangle. When you know the three sides of the triangle, then square root S for semi-perimeter of the triangle, S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, A, B, C are the three sides of the, means lengths of the three sides of the triangle. But here also we can find using Heron's formula, but finding the distance between A and B, means this length and this length and this length, then we can find S semi-perimeter, then we can find the area, but it will be a very tedious work. It will be a very tedious work. So that's why when the coordinates of the three vertices of a triangle are given, then we can find a different formula which is much simpler, and you can use it to find the area of the triangle when the coordinates of the three vertices of triangle, say here ABC, are given, say in the form x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So let ABC be any triangle whose vertices are A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, and C, x3, y3. Okay. Now, how we can find the area of this triangle? What do we do? From each vertex, okay, we drop a perpendicular, say BM perpendicular to OX on x-axis, AN perpendicular to this one, CP also perpendicular to this one. Then you can see, okay, this figure, in this figure you want to find the area of this triangle. Now these are perpendicular, so two or three more perpendicular lines on a line, okay, perpendiculars are parallel to each other. That means these two lines are parallel, these two lines are parallel, these two lines are also parallel. So when these two lines are parallel, you get a trapezium, say ABMN is a trapezium. Similarly, you get ACP and another trapezium. Okay, so if we add these two trapezium area, then you get the area of the full figure. Okay, then from this trapezium again BCPM is another trapezium. If you subtract this area, you get the area of what is called the triangle ABC. Now trapezium area formula, you know, area of trapezium equal to half into sum of the parallel sides, parallel sides, SIDS sides, okay, into distance, distance means perpendicular distance between the parallel sides, okay, sides. Now here I tell you the distance. Suppose for trapezium ABMN, okay, the parallel sides are this one, y1, y2, okay, and distance between them is mn. How will you find mn? You know that is nothing new, that when coordinate of this point is x1, y1, then this distance is x1. When coordinate of this point is x2, y2, then this distance is x2. Okay, so to find mn, x1 minus x2. When you find the area of this one, this distance from O to P is x3. Okay, so this distance Pn is, so x3 minus x1. Okay, and the parallel sides are y1 and y3. Okay, so and for this one, this trapezium, the parallel sides are y2, y3, and the distance between them is PM. Okay, so that means x3 minus x2. So in this manner we can get the area of triangle ABC. Okay, triangle ABC. Okay, let us go for that. Okay, area of triangle ABC equal to area trapezium. So area of trapezium, and I just write area. It is a trapezium, I have told you. ABMN plus say ACPN, area ACPN. Okay, from these two sum, if we subtract this one, area, what is called BCPM. Okay, now for this one, its area is it is a trapezium, half into sum of the parallel sides. Half into sum of the parallel sides means y1 plus y2. Okay, y2 plus y1. Okay. y1 plus, let me go like this, y2 plus y1. Okay, into this one, this distance I told you x1 minus x2. Okay, x1 minus x2. Okay, so this is the area of this, plus area of ACPN. Again half into sum of the parallel side means y1 plus y3, y1 plus y3. Okay, into distance between this, that is PN. PN. So PN means x3 minus x1. x3 minus x1. Okay, then minus area of this one, minus area of this one, again half into area of BCPN is y2 plus y3, y2 plus y3. Okay, into the distance, this distance. Okay, BC y2 plus y3, these are the two parallel sides. Okay, BCPM. Okay, BCPM. So this distance x3 minus x2. x3 minus x2. Okay, so now you can take half common, and then what is happening? Okay, this is here. Okay, y2 plus y1. Okay, into x1 minus x2. Okay, plus y1 plus y3 into x3 minus x1, again plus y2 plus y3 into x3 minus x2. Okay, bracket close. Okay, square bracket. So now after simplifying this one, you will multiply and take common and all these things. After simplifying this one, finally what you will get, I am writing here. Okay, x1 into y2 minus y3. Okay, x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into, okay, y3 minus y3 minus y1. Okay, let me take this space. Okay, this one now we don't need anymore. Okay. So what you will get, y3 minus y1. Okay, plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, so half into this is your formula to find the area of triangle, any triangle whose coordinates are given. So for you, how it is coming is not that important, but I have shown you. Okay, whatever. So you remember this formula, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So x1 plus x2 plus x3. How to remember? I tell you, 2, then 3, 3, then 1, 1, then again 2. So starting with 2, but for y there are minus signs, you see. Here minus, here minus, here minus. So remember like this, 2, then 3, 3, then 1, 1, then again 2. So then you can remember the formula, because this formula you have to remember. Okay. Another way I can show you a shortcut way of, suppose if you forget it, you can find it. That only this portion I will show you. Suppose if you forget it, how to find it. Okay. So that one I am going to show you very briefly. Okay. Suppose you cannot remember the formula, then quickly how you can find the formula correctly. That a trick is there, little bit. Okay, I show you. So write first x1 y1, then write x2 y2, then write x3 y3, again write x1 y1. Okay, first you do like this, these two you multiply. Okay, x1 y2 minus this one, minus. Okay, x2 y1, then for the next one plus x2 y3, again minus x3 y2, x3 y2, again plus x3 y1, x3 y1, again minus x1 y3. Okay, so this way you get these figures, and then after that you take x1 first, positive one, x1 y2, then again you look for x1, there is x1, okay, minus x1 y3. Okay, then go for x2 positive, it is here, plus x2 y3, minus go for x2 again, here it is. Okay, x2 y1, then again plus go for x3, it is here, x3 y1, then minus, you see, x3 y2. Okay, now from these two you can take x1 common, you get y2 minus y3, plus from these two you take x2 common, you get y3 minus y1, and from the last two you get x3 common, you get y1 minus y2. So means very briefly, suppose if you forget this portion, you can write it like this quickly, and as I have told you, you can make it. So it is easy to remember, but the best thing that you memorize the formula. Okay.